stuffed chicken breasts wrapped in bacon. All right, so I got us a pack of chicken breasts here. And you could do a little light trimming. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove some of this. I don't like the way that looks. I don't wanna eat that. And I'll just remove some of the fat. Okay, so after I remove some of the fat, let's cut a little slit right on top. So we're just gonna cut a slit down just a little bit. We're gonna kind of open these up a little bit. Open them up, open them up. Okay, go down to the next one. Little slit. Then use your fingers in there and you're just gonna open them up a little bit. All right, so lay these out. Let's move them up a little bit. Boom. Now we're gonna move on to our filling. We got 1 brick of cream cheese. We're gonna use 1/3 cup of onion, crispy onions, 1/3 cup of sliced pepperoncinis, and 1/3 cup of cheese. Then we mix. Okay, now after you got it kind of mixed up, now you're gonna add our green chili bacon rub to the mix. And I'm gonna do a couple tablespoons of this because it's real salty, but it's got a nice kick to it. So a couple tablespoons of that, that's good. And we're just gonna mix this up. So what we're gonna do is we're going to fill every part of this pocket with our cream cheese mixer. So it's kind of like an inside out jalapeno popper, but with chicken. So we're gonna stuff that, stuff it up. And I like to kind of just roll it in my hand a little bit just to make sure I got enough in there. Looks like that. Now don't worry about all the list of ingredients will be in the description below. So you'll know exactly how much I used and how to make it so you can make it at home. Now that the chicken breasts are stuffed, you can go ahead now and you can add them to a cooling rack and throw them on your smoker or put them in the oven, and you will cook it till the chicken reaches 160 to 165, but I always pull it at 160. That way it comes off and it rests for 5 to 10 minutes. It'll go up to 167, 168, so you're safe. So, but for me, it wouldn't be my type of recipe if it's not wrapped in bacon. So, like I always say, cheap, thin, elastic bacon. And I'm going to start on one end, and I'm going to wrap it all the way around. Now, sometimes you will get a bacon pack that's got some thick bacon in it. Cool trick here is to just lay your bacon down and just press it out by hand. Just press it out, lay it out. Because the thinner it is, look, see how much it stretched? So, then I will wrap-a-daisy all the way around. All right, now that you got these bad boys wrapped in bacon, we are going to use one of my favorite rubs. It's our Your Behind BBQ Chipotle Mango Rub. This is awesome on fish, seafood, but I absolutely love it on chicken. So we'll season it up. All right, now that these are all seasoned up, they're on your cooling rack, let's go fire up the grill. But before we do, if you're really enjoying this recipe so far, throw me a like, throw me a subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, what you're gonna be stuffing chicken with next. Let's go fire up the grill. All right, this baby's fired up. Let's throw her on. She's at 275. Let's get her on the grill. Boom. We'll check back in about 45 minutes. All right, came off the grill. Whew. Man, they smell so good. They rested for about 10 minutes. So let's just cut one of these open. Ooh, crispy bacon. Oh, man. Cheers. So juicy. Pepperoncinis got a little kick. Crispy bacon. If y'all enjoyed this, wait till you see what I got cooking next. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.